Standard 1 Subject English. Hello students, my name is Mrunal and today we are going to learn a grammar topic. Our topic for today is adjective. Before we start with our topic, I want to ask you a question. What is noun? Yes, very good. A name of a person, place or thing is called as noun. Also the names of animals, colors and flowers are called as nouns. Now let's see some examples of nouns. Doctor, school, table. Lion, roses. These are the examples of noun. Let's see what is adjective. An adjective is the word which tells more about a noun or describes a noun. Here are the examples of adjective. First is short man. Man is the noun. The question is, how is the man? Means what kind? Answer is short. So short is an adjective as it is telling us more about a noun. Next example is round table. Table is the noun. How is the table is the question. Means what is the shape of the table? Answer is round. So round is an adjective here as it describes the word table. Next example is two cats. Here cats is the noun. Question is how many? Means number of cats. Answer is 2. So 2 is an adjective here. Fourth example is hot milk. Here milk is the noun and the question is how is the milk? Answer is hot. So hot is an adjective here as it describes the kind of the noun. Next example is 3 chocolates. Here chocolates are noun and the question is how many? Answer is 3. So 3 is an adjective here as it is the word which is telling us more about the noun chocolates. Adjectives are also called as describing words as they describe about the quality, color, size, shape and number of the noun. Describing means telling. Adjective tells us more about a noun. They describe about the quality, color, size, shape and the number of noun. So they are called as describing words. Let's see some examples. You can see here picture of a girl. Girl is a noun here as it is a name of a person. And around it in the circle some words are given. The words in the circle are clever, small, beautiful, brave, smart, fair and short. These words are used for describing the noun girl. For example, she is a clever girl. She is a small girl. She is a brave girl. She is a beautiful girl. She is a smart girl. She is a short girl. In this way, these words tell us more about the noun girl. So, they describe the noun. So, they are called as adjectives. Here is the picture of a dress. So, dress is the noun here. And around it, in the circle, the words written are beautiful, pink, long, western and stylish. These are the words which are describing the dress or telling more about the dress. For example, it is a beautiful dress. The color of a dress is pink. It is a long dress. It is a western dress. And it is a stylish dress. In this way, these words are describing the noun dress So these are the adjectives for the noun dress. Next is the picture of apples. So the noun is apples, and around it you can see words which describe these apples, means which tell us more about these apples. The words are red, fresh, five, sour, sweet, big, and juicy. For example, these are red apples. These are fresh apples. There are 5 apples. These apples are juicy. These are sweet apples. In this way, these words describe the color, the total number, the size, the taste of the apples. So, they are called as adjectives. Next picture is of a car. So, car is the noun here, and the words used to describe this car are blue, expensive, private, classic, small, four-seater, and new. For example, this is a blue car. It is a new car. It is a small car. It is an expensive car. In this way, these words are telling us more about this car. So, these words are describing the noun car. So, they are called as adjectives. The next picture is of cake. You all eat cakes? Yes, you eat cakes. So, you all know about cakes. So, here the words around the cakes are telling us more about the noun cake. The words are chocolate, nice and cheap, fresh, creamy, delicious, and round. For example, this is a chocolate cake. It is a fresh cake. It is a creamy cake. It is a delicious cake. It is a round cake. So, in this way, these words are describing the noun cake. So, these are the adjectives which are used to describe the noun cake. The next picture is of dogs. So, dogs is the noun here, and around it the words are used to describe this picture. The words are white, healthy, three, faithful, calm, playful, and alert. For example, there are 3 dogs. These are white dogs. In this way, these words are describing the word dogs. They are telling us more about the dogs. So, these are the adjectives which are describing the noun dogs. Till now, we saw one noun and many adjectives for that one noun. Now, in the sentences, we will see one adjective for one noun. For example, the oranges are sweet. Here, sweet is an adjective as it is describing the noun oranges. It is telling us about the taste of the orange. Next example is there are 2 kittens. Here 2 is an adjective as it is telling us the number of kittens. And you know, adjective not only tells us about the quality, color, size of a noun, but it also tells us the number of the noun. So here 2 is an adjective. Can you see this picture? Yes. Observe this picture carefully because we have to write some lines on this picture. What can you see in the picture? Very good. A sun is shining, some trees are there, a house is there. So, you have to observe the picture carefully. Now, let's see the sentences written to describe this picture. The sentences written to describe the picture are: it is a sunny day. There are tall trees around. We can see a blue house. The house has 3 windows. The house has a green roof. Now, let's see the adjectives in these sentences. In the first sentence, the word sunny is the adjective as it is describing the noun day. In the second sentence, the word tall is an adjective as it is describing the noun trees. And in the third sentence, the word blue is an adjective as it is telling us the color of the house. It is telling us more about the house. In the fourth sentence, the word 3 is an adjective as it is telling us the number of the windows. And in the last sentence, the word green is an adjective as it is telling us the color of the roof, and roof is the noun, so it is describing the noun. In this way, the adjectives in the sentences are sunny, tall, blue, 3 and green. So, now let's see the next picture. Here is the next picture. Look at the picture carefully because we have to also describe this picture using the adjectives. Here are the sentences used to describe the second picture. The sentences are: there are big trees. There are 2 birds sitting on a tree. There are some butterflies and bees around. The bees are tiny. There are lovely flowers below the tree. Now, let's see the adjectives in the sentences. In the first sentence, the word big is an adjective as it is describing the noun trees. In the second sentence, the word 2 is an adjective as it is telling us more about the noun birds. And in the third sentence, the word some is an adjective as it is telling us more about butterflies and bees, which are nouns. In the fourth sentence, the word tiny is an adjective as it is telling about the noun bees. It is telling us the size of the bees. And in the last sentence, the word lovely is an adjective as it is describing the noun flowers. So, in this way, the adjectives in this para are big, 2, some, tiny and lovely. So, you know now what are adjectives. You know how to make sentences by using the adjectives and how to find out the adjectives from the sentences. So now let's move towards some activities. Here is the first activity for you. Underline the adjective. As you saw in the picture description, the adjectives were highlighted with a red color. In the same way, you have to find the adjective from the sentences and underline them. I will read the sentences. You find out the adjectives. The sentences are: I like long hair. Here, long is the adjective as it is describing the word hair, and hair is a noun. The next sentence is: he is smart boy. You have to find the adjective in the sentence which is describing a noun as I did it the first one for you. The third sentence is: there are many chocolates. Find the adjective in this sentence. The fourth sentence is: the fat cat ate the fish. Next sentence is: the cake is round. After that, a hen gave 6 eggs. And the last sentence is: there are pink flowers on the tree. You have to find out the adjectives from these sentences and underline them. Let's check the answers. See if you have underlined the adjectives correctly. The first sentence is I like long hair, and here the adjective is long. As you know, we had done it first only. The second sentence is he is a smart boy. Here the adjective is smart as it is describing the noun boy. And the third sentence is there are many chocolates. Here the adjective is many as it is telling us more about the noun chocolates. The fourth sentence is the fat cat ate the fish. Here fat is an adjective as it is describing about the noun cat. It is telling us about the size of the cat. The next sentence is the cake is round. Here the adjective is round as it is describing a noun cake. The next sentence is a hen gave 6 eggs. Here 6 is an adjective as it is telling us about the noun eggs. And the last sentence is there are pink flowers on the tree. Here pink is an adjective as it is describing about the noun flowers. It is telling the color of the flowers. So in this way we underline the correct adjective. I hope you have got the answers correct. The next activity is find the noun and adjectives from the sentence and write in the given box. You know what are nouns and adjectives. So you have to find the noun and an adjective from the given sentence and write it in the correct box. The sentences are the little girl was crying. Second sentence is I saw a big jet flying. The third sentence is I love my soft pillow. Now, from all these three sentences, you have to find out a noun and an adjective and write it in the correct box. Here are the answers. The first sentence was the little girl was crying. In that sentence, the word girl is a noun and little is an adjective, as little is telling us more about the girl. The second sentence was I saw a big jet flying. In that sentence, the word jet is a noun and big is an adjective as it is describing the noun jet. The third sentence was I love my soft pillow. The word pillow is a noun and soft is an adjective as it is telling us more about the noun pillow. Here is the next activity. Match the adjectives to the nouns. At one side you can see some adjectives are given and at the other side some pictures are given which are of nouns. So the adjectives are slow, colorful, round, thirsty and heavy. And at the other side the picture of a tortoise, a circle, rainbow, picture of a man trying to lift something, picture of a crow drinking water. So these are the pictures of noun. You have to match the adjective with the correct noun. For example, the first adjective is slow and I have matched it with the tortoise because tortoise walks slowly. So the adjective slow goes for the noun tortoise. In the same way, you have to match other adjectives with the proper nouns, means with proper pictures. For example, we will do the second one also. The second adjective is colorful. What will be colorful? Yes, good. Rainbow. So, the adjective colorful we have to match with the picture of rainbow. So, colorful rainbow and rainbow is a noun. In this way, you have to match other adjectives with their proper nouns. Homework for today is look at the given noun and write the adjectives for each picture. Means write the adjectives for each noun. Here the picture is of a mouse. So the noun is mouse. We have to write two words which describe the mouse. So I have written small and white. Small is the size and white is the color. Both these words describe the noun mouse. So these words are adjectives. In the same way, some pictures will be given to you and you have to write two adjectives for each picture. Here are the pictures for you. The first picture is of a woman. The second picture is of an elephant. The third picture is of chili. And the fourth picture is of a cupcake. Next, we can see picture of ice cubes. And the last picture is of a flower, lotus. So, you have to write two adjectives from all these 6 pictures. I hope you will complete your homework.
Thank you.